Hello my friends, it's Yuri. Today we will start our weekly market overview. Dear friends, write please to me in the comments, do you hear me correctly? If yes, just write that yes Yuri, I hear you and everything is good with voice and sound, and I am also checking it on my cell phone. Yes, and tell me please about about screen. Do you see my screen? About screen. Do you see my screen? Because yes, because it's important to that everyone you see my screen, because I will see charts. Friends, on this webinar I will show you best trading ideas for next week. Also, will answer on all your questions which you will have about trading. I think it will be interesting for me and for all of you. That's why right now, please push like on this video. Right now, push like in favor, because believe me, it will be useful for you. Because everything what I do, it's my practice from 6 years. That's why right now, push like and subscribe on this YouTube channel. Friends, I hear your voice and sound good. Nice to hear it. Write please, write everyone please where you are from. It's interesting to see geography of us. I'm from Ukraine, Kiev, and also I see Botswana. Yes, I see one friend from Botswana. It's nice to see you here. Texas, nice Texas. Or Texas, because I'm not native speaker and sometimes I do a little bit mistake, and I think you will forgive me. Mongolia, India, Texas, friends, take a look how big, how huge our geography. South Africa, Botswana, Mongolia, South Africa, Texas. It's awesome. It's awesome to see that a lot of people from different countries in this place. Okay friends, also please write into the chat right now what questions do you have about trading and instruments which you would like me to analyze. Free Hong Kong. Yes, I hear a lot about protests which are in Hong Kong right now. I'm from Ukraine, and those who know, 5 years ago we had similar stuff because our former president did want to sign up an agreement with European Union, and after that Ukrainian people did rebuild him. Hi Yuri, I'm late to join. Yeah, everything is good. Friends, write please into the chat what questions do you have, what topic is important for you to see on this webinar, because I understood we will see currency pairs, gold, oil indexes, but also I know that some of you have some problems with trading, with entry points, exit points, something like that. If you have some questions, just write it into the chat right now. Hi. Yes, hi. Hi friends, yes, nice to see you here. Okay, I think I don't see a questions at this moment, friends. I understood you. Okay, let's go. Let's start our webinar. How to pick the best entry points. Where to exit on the long. Oh, I need your opinion about the gold. Okay, friends. First, about how to pick the best entry points. First, you need to have the best system, because only in that case you will be able to pick the best points. You need to think like a big players. You need to understand a key places where big players will turn instrument into pullback or will start new trend. You need to follow that places, and you must open entries only in that places. I teach people how to build key levels. It is key level strategy, what I'm talking right now, and according to this strategy you will be able to pick the best places with low risk and great reward. Why I like key level strategy? Because we have low predictable risk, big players use it, big banks don't use some stochastic or moving average, they using places where most of volume, and near key levels most of people set their pending orders or stop losses. That's why it's a place where big players accumulate huge position. That's why I recommend to you to learn my apology my strategy below on this video. I think few seconds in this video, you in description you can find 3 videos which I recorded many days ago about few seconds, friends. Take a look. Here is fake breakout and 4 biggest mistake key levels. Watch these 3 videos, free stuff, and after that, believe me, you will be able to build key levels and trade far better. It's my recommendation. If you really want to work, you need to find a mentor, master who trade and pick key levels at this moment very good, and teach and study. And write to him or call to him and say, teach me. And because, friends, I've worked in a fixed broker, and you need to understand that I know that most of people will lose really a lot of money, and because of lack education. That's why my recommendation, find a mentor. I don't speak only about myself. There are a lot of different traders. You can choose those one who suits for you the best. But you need to study. Believe me, it will recover and repay, because I wasted first my 3 years in trading because I didn't good education. I tried how to trade robots, how to trade some clickers on news. I try to trade by some indicators. I use different system every week, change a system, and believe me, it is a waste of time. You need to find a person who have result, can show that result, and just learn how to do it properly. It's the same like you drive a car. You go into school, you see a person who drive car pretty good, you say, teach me please how to drive a car. Yes, after that you can go on a hardware. Okay, I need your opinion about gold. Yes, we will do. About Australian, we will do. Have any analysis on gold? Try it. Okay, I will do it. I have been using the first breakout strategy. I have been great with that. I have been drawing the last before. I never managed to trade them before I watched the videos. Yes, it's good that you used it far more before. Friends, I see questions about gold and oil. You should subscribe on our YouTube channel, because take a look about gold. Today I recorded about gold all in 4, and there were entry points. Okay, friends, when you will have some questions, write it into the chat. At this moment I will start I start our overview. Okay, let's open trading view, and I will start from currency pairs. After that we will do gold, oil, and if you will be interested in some other instruments right now, write into the chat. For example, like what's a ball. Yuri, what do you think about gold? Yuri, what do you think about Australia versus USD? How to pick? Okay, incredible. Okay, let's go. For a start, about Euro USD. Okay, fix. About Euro USD, friends, we sent an idea on TradingView. Here could be entry point. If be honest, I think that nearly this level, I want to show you daily chart and want to show you weekly chart on Euro USD. Take a look here. Price bounce at first time, second time, third time from this key level. Huge possibility, if price will come to this level, will make a false breakout. It will continue up trend. What I wait? I wait when price will come back to 1.11, and after false breakout I will be able to open buy, because it is key important level. Yes, friends. Yes, about Bitcoin we will speak soon. Believe me, after gold I will do Bitcoin. That's why wait, it will take 15-20 minutes and you will see all information. It will be useful for you because on this webinar you will see how analyze the chart, and it will help you trade better. Friends, Euro USD, this key level is important, the most important at this moment. After pullback, wait on reaction. If price will break down and will not come back, it will be a signal that price will go to retest 1.10. As you see, it is a mirror level from which price bounces several times, and also it is a round number. Wait first, as I spoke before, on this reaction, and after that we will see how price will react on that level. Friends, is it clear about Euro USD? Maybe you have some questions. If yes, just write it into the chat and I'm going to show you British pound. Few seconds. About British pound, as you see, everyone, I think everyone of you see that British pound is tricky at this moment. We have a lot of news. I will cover Euro Australian dollar, and after that will tell you what to do. Friends, push like. I see only 10 likes and so many people here. Friends, just push it, and for me it will accumulate position. At this moment, so many people who open by here have a huge profit, and for big players they need to pick the best place where will open sell. Nearly this level, you need to understand, so many people set their stop losses. Those who open sell mostly set stop losses nearly such level, and big players, believe me, with huge possibility can hit this level, and after that it will be best place to catch at least 300-400 pips down drop. At this moment it is the best. I want to show you opposite situation on Euro versus British pound. As you see, price close to this key level to on weekly chart, you can see it. On weekly chart, it is March low. Price really so close to it. And if price will comes to this level, it also will be a good place where we will open buy entry. That's why we have on British pound and Euro versus British pound, we have similar situation. Boris, we will do Bitcoin after gold and currency pairs. It will be in few minutes. Just wait and write your questions which you have about other instruments, and maybe you have some questions exactly about gold. Okay, friends, let's go to some other currency pairs. Okay, let's open Euro versus about Euro, about USD Japanese yen. Friends, if be honest, at this moment price is not clear, because in few seconds I will show you gold and you will understand why. First, you need to see that this daily candle closed below this mirror level. This daily candle, Friday daily candle. That means this picture is not accurate anymore, because also weekly candle, take a look how week close below all this accumulation. It shows that big players don't want to draw a really accurate picture where they will move instrument in what direction. That's why I recommend to stay away. Because few words about gold. Because gold at this moment in this range, in this accumulation, as you see, until price in this range, we don't need to open any position. Friends, right now, again, about gold, do you see that this range, this volatility is dropping? Volatility range dropping, that means price moves less pips per day. That means big players accumulate some position. And what we have at this moment currently, we have this stuff, one trend line, and we have a second trend line, and second this one. You need to understand also price so close to key level. you can see it here to this key level 1475. We should to 75. Why it is key level? Because take a look, first time price bounced from it, second, third, fourth time price bounced from it. I have such scenario for dropping. If for example price will drop down, we will see something like this. We will see this stuff. After that, nearly pull back to 1475, we will open sell. It will be a really accurate entry, and first goal will be this low. It is first scenario for gold. About buy bullish scenario, it's hard to speak because when price will drop, we have key level from which price bounced so many times. About rise, I don't see here a really clear place which will be accurate to open entry. Yes, we have something like this when price bounced, dropped many times, but it's not really accurate like this one. That's why what I recommend, if price will really drop down into this area, we will open sell to continue down dropping, because friends, yes, on daily chart price in uptrend, but we have a lot of news that there will be no war talks between China and US, and also there is no any crisis in the world. That's why gold will rise. There is no reason, really huge reason why gold will rise. That's why, friends, write please into the chat, is it clear about gold? Maybe you have some questions about gold or Japanese yen. You need to understand that there is a huge correlation between Japanese yen and gold. That means with huge possibility, if gold will drop down, Japanese yen will rise. But we see that gold in triangle. Until price in that triangle, we don't need to open any entries on gold. Friends, right now, write into the chat, is it clear for you about gold? And also, friends, push like. It is the best reward for me when you push like and share this video with your friend. Okay, let's go to other instruments. We should cover quickly currency pairs. About good. Yes, stay away from gold. Yes, it's clear. Friends, also push like. Believe me, it's really pleasure to read, to see it when there's really a lot of likes. And also, friends, right now about Japanese yen, British pound, Japanese yen. As you remember from my trading view ideas, I sent idea about buy here and here. As you see, at this moment, price is rising, and at this moment, there is no clear place where we can open entry in this area. But take a look on this mirror level from which price bounced so many times. That's why best scenario for me will be if price will hit this level 143.74. It will be the best place where I will be able to open entry, because it is powerful mirror level. At this moment, stay away from British pound, Japanese yen, because we don't have a clear level and clear place where we will open entry. Yeah, good to read that it's clear. Friends, push like, just push like right now, push like and subscribe. And okay, let's go to Australian. As you see at this moment, Australian dollar. Oh my god. Price, if you I remember someone wrote about you hold buy position on this currency pair. You need to understand price came close to this area, and on bigger picture it looks like it is in a range. At this moment it's good for you to close half position and at least wait when price will break it up or something like that, because only if price will do something like this, you will be able to open new buy position. At this moment, better to be out. Also about euro versus Japanese yen, friends, price made false breakout of this key level as you see, really sharply false breakout. That's why if there will be some pullback in this area, you can open sell, stop loss above this tail, because here is key level from which price made this relow, and price came to this level on full ATR. That's why it's good to drop from it. Also some other instruments, Canadian. Write please into the chat, is there any currency pairs which is interesting for you, because after that I'll do Bitcoin. Friends, write please about currency pairs. Is it all? Because when I will choose Bitcoin, we will watch all cryptocurrency pairs. I need to finish with currency pairs. That's why write please into the chat what are the currency pairs you would like to see right now. Those who wrote about Bitcoin, friends, so soon in 5 minutes you will see Bitcoin. Just wait, please, and at this moment just push like and subscribe on this YouTube channel. Friends, I am waiting for your answer. Yes, I'll do Bitcoin. Okay, I understood that. I don't see any other questions about currency pairs. Yes, we will do Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency pairs, and after that indexes. Those who are interested in Bitcoin also write please all cryptocurrency pairs which is interesting for you right now. Write please, because now I will cover it. Friends, push like. At this moment you should push like. Euro Australian, yes, you are last one. Euro versus Australia and Australia versus Swiss franc. It's a last one currency pairs which I will cover. Euro Australia. Okay, few seconds. Okay, euro versus Australian dollar. Always when you start your overview, you need to see bigger picture, because only that picture can show you what really could be the next. At this moment, as you see, price in this up range, really huge up range. And take a look, there is no key places, key level at this moment where you can open entry, because take a look, there were one key level, this one, where it was really good to open by, and second key level, it is here and here. Only near such places you can open accurate place, you can open accurate entry. About some scalps entries, I don't like to speak a lot about some scalp entries. What do you think about the movement of price of Bitcoin? So soon after this free currency pair, I will do Bitcoin, my friend. Believe me, I will do it. And Australia Swiss franc. Australia versus Swiss franc. The same stuff. As you see, friends, price in this horrible range. It is not accurate to trade in such places. Let's open weekly chart. Weekly chart. On weekly chart, price bounced from this place. On weekly chart, as you see, we have something like this. I want to see it. We have something like this, as you see. Do you see it? It looks like price was in triangle, and at this moment, if price will break it up, it will be a good buy signal. till price will break it up, you should open entry only when price will confirm it. At this moment, price in triangle, wait when price will break it out. Okay, and Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen. Friends, many days ago I sent a signal, I sent an idea, maybe I sent a signal for VIP members. Yes, I remember I sent a signal for VIP members in our VIP group about rise of Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen. I can show you an example. Take a look like here. When price was here, 81.95. At this moment price really rose up so many pips, and at this moment it's not wise to open accurate entry. The best to do like we did here, nearly this key level. Price broke it up, made a pullback, false breakout, after that we open entry. Only the same you can do here. If price will break it up, close a ball, and after pullback you can open entry, only in that case. How do you find out which pair is better to select if you find some trades for a correlated pair, for example euro Japanese yen, euro CAD, euro Australian dollar, or mostly I trade all my signals which I see. For example, if I see false breakout of key level, I open entry on that instruments, because you don't know which one will move better. That's why you need to trade all of them. And okay, friends, it was what I promised. Hi Yuri, any prediction for British pound Japanese yen? I already did it. That's why after this webinar you will be able to see it. There's a lot of information about British pound Japanese yen. Friends, let's go to Bitcoin, because as I promised that this currency pairs will be the last one. We will speak about crypto at this moment. That's why right now those who interested in crypto, write please what cryptocurrencies are you interesting to see. If you interesting to see only Bitcoin, that's right, Bitcoin, for example BTC or Bitcoin. If you're interested in different crypto, write for example like BTC, Ripple, Ethereum, something like that. Just right now into the comment right now, friends, because we need to do the best webinar, and we need to cover all instruments which is interesting for you. At this moment Bitcoin in this range, you can see this range. Everything depends how long price will be in this range, because in this range it is not wise to open a position. Why? It is a place of uncertainty. If you follow me on TradingView, you could remember when I wrote about this place when we open sell entry about 8,800. You can remember that place. At this moment price in the middle. On lower time frames, yes, there is some picture like it can hit even border of the range, but on a bigger time frame, bigger picture shows that with huge possibility price will continue to drop. Why? Because take a look on this example. Price were in the range, after that rose up dramatically. After that here price were in the range, drop down. Big players accumulate position, and after that move instrument. That's why range for them, it is a place where they accumulate position. Also the biggest volume was on the top. Big players don't buy instrument on the top. That's why, friends, what I think price with huge possibility will continue dropping. It is in midterm. Best place to open sell will be only if price will hit border of the range 8,800, 8,700, and also second best place where you can open sell, it is if price will break out this range. For example, price will drop down, will fix a ball, and after pullback you will be able to open sell to continue drop down. It's the huge possibility. Best where we will be able to open buy for really for a long term and make money on it, it is when price will drop down. In some place price will start do such like this range. It will be 1-2 months in such range, and only after that in that range we will be able to open entry and hold it for a long term only in that place. If be honest, I can't tell you will it be at in this place, or it will be, for example, at 5,000 or 3,000. No one knows. We need to see how price will react. No one knows how deep price will drop. If someone would know, that person would bet all what that person has. That's why you don't need to guess a lot to praise something like that. You need to wait what price will show to you. Friends, if you think it's useful for you right now, push like and share this video, share this stream with your friend. Okay, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, and also take a look on other crypto. Few seconds, crypto, Ethereum. Few seconds, friends. About Ethereum, you need to understand that with huge possibility, all cryptocurrencies will do the same move. For example, if Bitcoin will drop, with huge possibility, price also on other crypto will drop, because we don't have a good news about Bitcoin. We don't have a good news about Ethereum. It looks like big players really want to smash out retail traders before they will take all crypto with really best price which they can get. That's why, friends, also take a look on this mirror level from which price bounced. With huge possibility it will continue drop down. That's why at this moment I do not recommend to you to accumulate position and volume for a long term on cryptocurrencies. Dear friend, about British pound, Japanese yen, I already recorded, we covered that instrument. After this you will be able to see it again, and you will be able to see British pound, Japanese yen. And also about Ripple, few words about Ripple. Ripple is in this upward channel. The same stuff. If all market will drop, with huge possibility Ripple will drop. About gold, I already spoke about gold. You will be able to see when you will when we will finish it. You can be with us at this moment. You will see how I analyze the market, and after that you will see gold. Friends, if Bitcoin will drop down, will break down the channel, with huge possibility Ripple also will continue drop. At this moment price in this channel, and we have this key level 0.27. If price will break it down, it will be a key point from which price could start drop down. Because take a look here, Ripple rose up with huge volume, after that price drop down dramatically. Rose up, drop down. It looks like Ripple don't have a power. Also take a look, pump, dump. It looks like Ripple don't have a power. I don't see really power and strength in this cryptocurrency, because every rose up finish with a really deep pullback. It looks like something bad going on with this cryptocurrency. It dropped 6 for gold, drop 6 USD. It's really easy, because average daily move of that instrument 22 USD per day. It's okay. Friends, I think we will finish with crypto, and we'll go to some indexes. At this moment I want to show you one our service which we provide. It is our VIP signals, which I trade on my personal account. You can join us, and all entries which I open on my personal account I send into that VIP group. Also I want to show you my personal account which I trade. It is real account, and all entries which receive VIP members I do on my account with 300 4,000 USD. That's why, believe me, I really pay a lot of attention about what instruments will pick. I really pay a lot of attention what instruments better to trade. That's why, believe me, for you it will be awesome opportunity to trade with real traders. That's why right now in a comment you can find our contacts, phone number, and a link on our messages. Right now, write to us, to my assistant Valerie, and ask about proposition, special offer. Because for those who will right now will write till this webinar and 1 hour after, we will do special offer for 3-month and year package. Friends, also let's cover some indexes. Few seconds. CFD, S&P 500 and S&P 500. Friends, don't forget to push like. S&P 500, it looks really bullish because take a look, every low become higher, higher. Also that news about decreasing interest rate, with huge possibility price will continue uprise, really with huge possibility. There is no weakness in this. Take a look, price drop down, but still even for our candle close above this key level. That's why best what you can do on indexes is to buy after some pullback. You need to pay attention about this key level because it is historical high. First time when price react on such levels, in first time price makes a pullback from such levels. That's why you should pay attention how price will react on it. But with huge possibility it will continue rise. And also Nasdaq. Nasdaq, the same stuff. The same stuff like S&P 500. Every low become higher. There is no weakness. I don't see even any weakness in this instrument. Better will be is to open buy after some pullback. And what about other instruments? I would like to open indexes here in my trading platform. All indexes as you see here. With huge possibility price will continue uprise, as like I spoke before. The same stuff. Dow Jones still in this triangle, but DAX, as you see, DAX broke up this level and rose up. French 40, Euro 50. With huge possibilities, all indexes will continue uprise because France, because there is no bad news with economy. Okay, DAX, please, German. Take a look. DAX broke up this key level, rose up. With huge possibility, price will continue uprise. There only one key level on the road is here. It is 13,201. Only from that level, price can do some bounce or drop. That's why at this moment on pullback, best will be to open buy. And okay, and about silver. Okay, a few words about silver. With huge possibility, silver will do the same like a gold. With huge possibility, silver, as you see in this accumulation, take a look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 days in a row, price in a range, in this range. At this moment, it is not good place to trade. You should follow gold. Because with huge possibility, if gold will break our channel, silver will follow them. Friends, I think so soon we will finish this webinar. That's why right now in the chat all your questions which you have about trading right now, write questions. And also, friends, push like, share this video with your friend, because you see it is really useful webinar. It is all my practical knowledge. And a few words also about our educational program. Friends, we recorded a course, educational course. It is our first course which based on false breakout strategy. There you will learn how to build best key levels, how to trade false breakout, bounce, how to use best money management, how to improve your trading and make more money. Friends, at this moment it is our first record. That's why you have a best opportunity to buy it with really the cheapest price. We have only 20 seats, and when we sell it for first 20%, after that we will take a feedback and will raise price, because normally we will sell it for 700 or 900 USD, and at this moment you can buy it only for 500 USD. Below this stream there a link on my assistant just right now to assistant, because for those who will choose signals and education will be really a special offer. Right now, don't hesitate. Right now, you saw my real account. My assistant will send to you real statements. You will see how to use it. Okay, and about Canadian dollar. Okay, a few words about Canadian dollar. Friends, write into the chat what are the questions you have at this moment. Thanks very much about your natural gas. Okay, we will do natural gas. About Canadian, take a look. Price broke down, as you see. Price broke down this low. With huge possibility it will continue drop to this area. With huge possibility. What will be best? If price will do pullback, you open sell to this level. First reaction on this level could be a good bounce. And also about natural gas. As you see, price below this mirror level, from which price bounced a few times. With huge possibility it will continue drop, because as you see, price in a range. Price didn't even how better to say to you, there's a weakness. Two times price bouncing, and this time price didn't come exactly to this level. With huge possibility it will continue drop. But there is no good entry at this moment, because price dropped down a average daily move. Best is to wait on some pullback, only after that open sell. Only the second scenario, only when price will break up to 2.38 and close above, only after pullback from this level you will be able to open buy. At this moment price is bearish, and long-term trend also is bearish, and we can even take a look on something like this. There could be a retest of this trend line, for example, into this area. Okay, friends, thank you for your time. Once more, push like, write a comment what you think about this webinar, and also share it with your friends right now till this is really valid and it will be really useful for your friends. Thank you for your time. Bye.